I want to talk about these two beautiful products.
It's a lip butter and lip scrub by the brand Ikkai.
My lips usually get really dry and dehydrated no matter what the season is. I'm always peeling off the skin of my lips, and that is really hurtful. So the first product that they have is their lip scrub. Now you can see how cute is that packaging. Usually those scrubs have big chunky particles which can be harmful for your lips, but this one does not have any like big chunky particles. You just have to take this much of product and you have to apply it on your lips and massage your lips with this lip scrub for 2 minutes maybe, and then wash it off.
What I like the most is that they are 100% organically made with beautiful ingredients like shea butter. They are free of all harmful chemicals and preservatives, and also beeswax.
So to finish that little lip care session, I'm going to use their lip butter. Now this is very hydrating and moisturizing for your lips. Also leaves a very beautiful tint to your lips which looks very natural. I like to do this, and you can see how much products I have already used. You don't actually need a lot of product. You just need a little amount of product and you are good to go. So you can see how hydrating and naturally beautiful my lips look right now.